Sorry.
Excellency, you are welcome to the Minister of Energy and Mines. You are welcome.
L'équipe. Avance. Adam yok daha.
Madam Drupadi, welcome to you and to all the esteemed members and future outlook.
Your Excellency, Mrs. Drupadi Murmu, President of the Republic of India. Welcome to Aldi managing the seawater desalination sector in Algeria. Aldi Short is a state-owned joint stock company founded in 2001 and owned as a subsidiary by Sonatrach. Mission is to promote large-scale projects, alone or in partnership with foreign, is undoubtedly seawater desalination. Until 2020, Algeria had 11 seawater desalination plant 200,000 cubic meters a day. Tense desalination plant 200,000 cubic meters a day. Maya Mostaganem desalination plant 200,000 cubic meters a day. Honame desalination plant 200,000 cubic meters a day. South Talata desalination plant 120,000 cubic meters a day. Karama desalination plant 86,000 cubic meters a day. Cap Fuka 1 desalination plant 120,000 cubic meters a day. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Algeria was facing a hard drought in companies as a first experience.
نعم هذا مروح يوقف قدامه.
Components are produced in India, starting with ABB factories